create a pattern using watercolor technique, I'm using 3 colors of the polymer clay: white, black, and translucent. I'm warming the clay up and making black and white clay of the same size. Attaching the white clay on top of the black clay. After that, I'm flattening the piece again just a little bit. And I just divided mine into pieces just because it was too long. After that, I start applying acrylic paints, and I'm using the rainbow colors. And after that, I'm letting the paint to dry for 10-15 minutes. Then I'm adding the thin layer of the translucent clay on top. Going over with the rolling pin and cutting off the excess on the sides. Running the pieces through the pasta machine again. Thickness is around 2-3 millimeters. And after that, I start ripping off small pieces and trying to save the order of the colors. After that, I start attaching all of the pieces following the order of the colors. I'm attaching all the pieces on top of each other so there's no empty spots in between. After the sheet is complete, I'm adjusting the gaps if there are any. After that, I'm going over with the rolling pin to reach the desirable thickness. And then I'm just cutting off the shapes and baking them. And here's how pieces look before and after baking. It's a very cool technique, and you can play around with different colors and see which one you like the most.